Good morning, I am Tim N7KOM and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be installing an optional CW filter in my Icom 706. Okay, and it's 5 screws, 3 here, 1 and 2 on the back, and then the top cover plate lifts up. Now looking in here, here is our main filter. I think this is the FL-100 filter. Yeah. Okay, and here is the main filter that comes with the 706. This is the FL-100 filter. And we can see under this ribbon cable is the slot for the optional filter. Now I'm thinking I can get away with just sort of gently lifting this ribbon cable and pushing this wire aside as I slot in the new filter. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Okay, and we want to match up our holes here for the slot. Going to be going in like this. And there we go, slotted in. And I did have to move these, so let's go ahead and replace that plug. Okay, now we will replace the top cover and start up the radio. Okay, and now we have to tell the radio that it has the new filter. So when I power it on, I'm going to hold down lock, hit power. We are now in our initial setup menu. We want item 19 for our optional filter, and FL-100 is the filter we have. If there's a different one that you added, just scroll through the options, but we want FL-100, and then we power the rig off. And now when we power it on, I should have an option here. If I hit in my G2 menu, here we go. Ooh, that's nice. All right, really looking forward to using this to chase summits on the air. So a big thank you to Brian N6IZ for this filter. Thanks so much for pulling this out of your old 706 rig and sending it to me. Like, huge thank you. This is going to be awesome. All right, 73N7KOM. Catch you next time. Awesome, that was a QSO with N6 ARA, and you can really hear the difference in the narrow versus the wide filter. Such a huge difference.